Hi guys, your girl's back again, and guess what? I got another pineapple. I found another way we can do it too, so we're going to try this 2 different ways to see if we can peel it without a knife. Second time, it's got to work, right? Or is it 3 times the charm? Maybe I need to get a third one. Well, we'll play with this one first and see what happens. Alright, we're going to try. Alright, I think you got to pluck the top off. You got to twist it and pull. Twist and pull. Yay. Yep, that's what happened last time too.
Okay.
Okay. Now, another way I also was by pulling this here. That's the other way. You've got to try to pull that off and see if it works that way too before we start pounding it, because don't we pound it after that?
Yes, but
that's really hard, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's pound it. Who's that creeping in that room on us? Look at that. Who is that? That's our Obies. Hi, baby. He's watching from the bedroom. Alrighty. What was it? Pounding it on the bottom. Does it feel like it's loosening up at all? Like not so stiff?
yeah, it's a little loose.
I hope this one, I didn't over ripen this one yet.
Well, it don't look as
Ripe as that last one.
Did.
Yeah. The other one, the top was all brown and yucky and hard. Want me to help you? Here.
It sounds.
Yeah, I can hear like juices.
The juices are flowing. Don't turn it up that way.
Alright, let's see, can we... Oh yeah, look at this is coming off.
Okay. You might still need to pound it a little bit more though, because it has to come up a little bit more freely. Oh, where is the pineapple at?
Yeah, I see some wetness on it. So, oh yeah. Alright, this is the other way I seen them doing it, where they...
Right, that's the way we were trying to...
That's the...
You know, I hope this works. Or we might just have to just go ahead and get it out the more conventional way, which is out of a can. This is just too much work. Look at that.
They say, you know, this is for when you're out working in the fields and you get hungry, you can just rip open a pineapple with your fingers.
Or you can just reach in your lunch sack and get out a Lunchable.
Yeah, but what if you want pineapple? Alright, now isn't it supposed to be, you're just supposed to...
So should I run over to the store and go grab a can of pineapples?
No, because of all
And
those
be like after. This is before and after. Yeah, see, look at that. It's all juicy on the floor.
I know.
That's because you got it tilted up. See, that's too much work.
Oh, no.
Yeah,
This is what, look at.
What's happening? What's happening? What is there in there? What's in there?
What? It's like a plug that you can get out.
And looks like we'll be bringing out the Swiffer.
Oh, yeah. I'll have to definitely clean up this floor.
See, that's just too much work.
I know, but I thought it'd be something fun to do.
Yeah, something messy.
Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute.
Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Oh, wait a minute. Got some out.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding me.
No.
Okay, try it from, see, that's too much work. That's too much. Try it, rolling it some more. Does it feel like it's, the pineapple is softer?
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe try sitting it up and then, hold on, sit it up. And then try it. No, yeah, well see, that's still too, it's still too firm in there. So you're supposed to be able to pull it, and it's supposed to slide right out.
Yeah.
See, you're flipping it and skipping it from both ends. So you're not, I don't think you're supposed to, because you want the base of it to stay free from you getting it on the...
Right. That's what I thought. But that other video I watched...
That was a bad video. I mean...
He pulled it right off the plant, though, and did it.
Yeah, well...
And then look at... Okay.
Yeah, see, that's just too much... But see, that's just too much work. Like... Yeah, see? Okay. It's time to stop this. Because,
But I got some off.
yeah. After you pulverized it. Look at that. Would you just look at it? Come on.
There we go.
Yeah, there we go. How many times? There we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we went, all right. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so, Yami. Are we ready to call this one quit?
Why can't I do it? I wanted to do it by hand. I wanted to look like I knew what I was doing.
Hey, but you know what? There's a Del Monte company that's like...
Right down the road, I know.
Yeah, we can go there and get some fresh cut Del Monte pineapples in a can.
Fresh cut in a can.
Yeah, fresh cut. And we don't have to worry about our floor looking like this. Look, and Minnie's looking at you like, oh, why? Oh,
Why did you have to do that? Yeah, why did you have to do that?
I don't know I don't really know the song, but
I don't either, but my fingers are starting to hurt.
or something or whatever. Yeah. So I think it's time to get the butcher knife out and go at it.
Just do it right here.
Hold on.
All right. Up at me. All right, I'm calling it quits. I'm not doing it. If you can do it, put it on video and share it with me. Either put a link down below or go on my Facebook group and share it there. I would love to see your video opening up a pineapple with just these. Maybe you can do it. I can't. Meanwhile, I'm going to go cut this baby up.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe, like, and hit that bell. Bling.
And come back and see Yami some more.
Yeah.